In this Create Bank review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create affiliate websites on ClickBank with a few clicks of a button. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Create Bank, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Okay, last thing, let's take a look at my bonus page here together. If you purchase through my link, you're going to get all these special bonuses waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, get on your way towards being an affiliate star. Attention, 4-click software automatically creates ClickBank money sites. No coding and design, no content writing, no extra cost, no guesswork. So essentially what the software will do is create these affiliate websites for you, all done for you. You simply select a site template. It says here you don't need, we'll give you a domain and host a website for you, so no extra expenses. Enter your keyword to fetch unique content. Input your ClickBank ID, and then you hit publish. They say, and rank your site on #1 in Google. Of course, that's going to depend upon what your keywords are here. So don't think just because you're going to put one of these up that you're going to actually get, your site's going to rank for that. Now, they do have some proof here of having some rankings for some websites here and making some money, but I don't know if it's actually from these different websites here. So just know that. I know that David is making money as an affiliate, but he does have a tracking thing here where it says Create Bank. So maybe he is making the money from these actual websites here. But of course, I always, with any kind of income proof, you have to take it with a grain of salt and just know that these aren't like money-making machines. These are simply tools for helping you inside of your business. There's some different templates here for you. Let me bring you down here. We've already seen this part of it. They're going to build and run your affiliate website on autopilot, multiple stunning templates, stand out with unique self-updating content, SEO optimized, generate passive income. You can easily monetize them. And you have a commercial license too, so you can actually sell these sites, free hosting and domain included, works on Windows, Mac, and mobile phones, and no monthly fees with this. So if you decide to purchase this today, let me go down here to the bottom, you get access to all these different things here, all these different modules, the free hosting, the domain name, all this stuff included for a one-time fee. One thing I will tell you to do is move your mouse away on the actual sales page. More likely than not, you're going to see a discount pop up there. I make less as an affiliate by pointing these out to you, so please hit that like button if you like the fact that I show you these discounts and you want me to keep doing it in the future. What I'm going to do now is play you some quick videos here showing you a little bit more about the product. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area, an actual website created with the software, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Hi there. Welcome to Create Bank Affiliate Website Builder. Now, I am going to walk you through some easy steps of how to successfully use the app and start earning money. Step 1. Create your website. You can get a quick start by clicking Build a Site on the main dashboard. Or, go to the Manage Websites section. You will see a drop-down menu to build and manage your websites. Click Website Lists. All the created websites will be listed here, making it easy for you to observe and edit at your disposal. To add a new website, simply click Add Website. Now, you just need to complete the details of the settings on this page. Let's get to each field. There are 2 website types you can choose. If you choose the first option, you just need to enter the website name you want. This option doesn't require you to buy a domain or hosting, as well as any extra configuration. If you already have your domain, you can go for custom domain name and insert your website domain. After deciding on the website name, choose the template you want for your website design. There are 5 done for you templates. You can preview each by clicking here right below. Next, upload your website logo with a recommended size. Enter your business contact email and write a short description of your website. And the next 2 fields, News API Key and ClickBank ID, are important. The News API Key is used to fetch different content related to your website niche. Click the link below the file to get your News API Key and enter it into the provided field. Then, enter your ClickBank ID in the last field. In case you haven't got an account, we have placed a sign-up link, so that you can register one for completely free. Move to the right column of Website Footer Setting. This section allows you to provide your business social network profiles. And this information will be displayed at the end of your website. Now we move to step 2, create content. Before getting content automatically created, add some categories, so that the visitors can easily find the topic that they are interested in on your site. You can get content in 4 different ways. Your content source, the Done For You content, or search content with a keyword. Take a look at the list of the content we have already created for you. Simply browse and choose the niche. Advertising, business, beauty, cooking, fitness, fashion, and a whole lot more. Otherwise, enter a relevant keyword here, and let CreateBank do the rest. Want video content on your site? CreateBank gets you covered. Similarly, simply enter the keyword here, and our app will go find and publish content for your site. Do you want to see the magic? Hit the refresh button, and you'll see CreateBank has turned a blank website at first into a stunning, professional, and informative website. Especially, CreateBank automatically loads the hot offers from ClickBank, so that you can earn commissions passively, without manually doing anything from your end. Step 3, make money from the website. Besides the ClickBank offers featured on the website that I have just mentioned, there are other ways you can benefit from this website. Let me introduce the Inline Keyword and Ads Manager. Specifically, the inline keyword allows you to add a link to a certain keyword. You can place an affiliate link, a sponsored link, or one that leads to another article on your website. Ads Manager allows you to add advertisement banners on your site. Simply upload the banner design and insert your target URL. That's how easily you can build affiliate websites with CreateBank. Again, you will never struggle with content, design, or advertise products. Just save your previous time to build even more websites and grow your affiliate business. Thank you for watching.
Okay, so we are back. This is an actual site created with the software here. So it's like an affiliate marketing website. We can take a look at what this creates. It's a nice content here. You can actually see how it's all kind of like put together. You can go in there and you can edit that if you want to, make it look a little bit nicer, but it creates the base of your websites for you with different categories and pages, recommendations, etc. You can build all these right inside of this dashboard where you can manage your content, your articles, your monetization. It has your training, all of it inside of one central dashboard. Now there are multiple OTOs here. So the first one is going to give you unlimited ClickBank affiliate sites and unlimited reseller licenses with this. So this is an optional upgrade. Now what I recommend that you do with this is when you come to this page, move your mouse away, you can get a discount on this. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing you these discounts, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one, boost your website performance and expand internationally with this one. This is going to give you a worldwide translation module, so it puts your website in other languages, opt-in forms, Facebook comments, live chat, and more. Move your mouse away and get a $10 discount. Next one is they will set it up all for you. That's a done for you service. If you move your mouse away, you can get a $30 discount. The next one here is they're going to give you, looks like traffic. So if it's a Traffic Academy, they're going to teach you how to get traffic. You can get a $10 discount if you move your mouse away. And it looks like the last one is an agency package. They're going to give you the option of starting your own agency business so you can actually sell these accounts to customers and keep all the money. If you move your mouse away on this one, you can also get a $50 discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about CreateBank and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, as always, it's really hypey with all the screenshots and everything. Just know that this is a tool for building affiliate websites. This isn't a special money-making machine. If you're looking to build affiliate websites and you don't want to put them on your own domain and your own hosting, this could be a possible option. What do I like about this? Building websites can be difficult, especially for people just getting involved. If you want to test out niches, if you want to have a way of creating affiliate websites without having to do a lot of work, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at CreateBank, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.